Hello, my dear children. I'm here to introduce the new letter through Phonic letter magical story. Do you all know why it's magical? Because we are going to guess the letter through the story. Once there was a girl named Gracie. She lived with a pet goat named Gogi. She went for an evening walk along with her goat Gogi. She carried grapes to eat and a guitar to play music, as she was fond of playing the guitar every day. She came across a place where there was a swing and some grass along the riverside. She sat on the swing and took out the green grapes to eat and asked her Gogi the goat to eat the green grass. On the opposite side of the river, there was a goose who was sad as she could not find her baby gosling. So she went ahead to ask for some help. The goose came to other side of the river and told everything to Gracie. Gracie told her not to worry. She started playing the guitar and thought if her baby would be nearby, then she could follow the music and find her way to her mama. Just then, Jiffy the giraffe came along the riverside as he followed the guitar music. While walking, he saw the baby gosling stuck in the box. He wondered that his mama goose must be searching for him. So he went towards him and asked to slide down on his long neck. Following the music, they came across the other side of the river. And as soon as the baby gosling saw his mama, he jumped towards her with joy. They both hugged each other and thanked Gracie and Jiffy for their help. So, my dear children, I hope you all enjoyed the story and also learned from it. Now, let's have a look at the words from the story that has same beginning letter and same beginning sound. Girl, Gracie, goat, Gogi, grapes, guitar, green grass, goose, gosling, gift box, giraffe, Jiffy. So, my dear children, you all must have guessed the letter we have learned through the story. Let me draw the letter on this book and you see if you are correct or not. So, here goes. Start from your right, make a curve, then lift your pencil, make a short standing line from up to down. Then lift your pencil again and make a sleeping line from left to right. That makes a letter. Then on another page, start from your right, make a small curve, then lift your pencil, go up, make a standing line from up to down and continue and make a tail that makes a letter. So, my dear children, are you able to guess which letter is this? Oh, yes, this letter is letter G. Now, my dear children, let us learn the phonic sound of letter G. You just have to start by pressing the back of your tongue against the roof of your mouth and then move it down to let out a puff of air. The sound that comes out is G, G, G. So remember children, practice the letter formation and the sound of letter G. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning!